2023 BMW M8 arrives with more performance and luxury. 617 horsepower competition pack is now standard across the board. Revised for 2023, the BMW M8 has served as the brand's halo performance car for the last few years. The new year ushers in a host of updates, including a new 12.3-inch central display, more exterior colors, and the deletion of the regular M8 models. It's now available exclusively as the 617 horsepower competition. The headline act in this sublime Grand Tourer is the turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 under the sculpted hood. A whopping 617 HP and 553 lb-ft of torque is sent to all four wheels via an M-Steptronic 8-speed transmission with drive logic. The result? A blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour dash of just 3.0 seconds. Specifying the optional M driver's package bumps the top speed up to 190 miles per hour. But BMWs aren't just about straight-line speed. The adaptive M suspension uses information gained from the road surface, steering input, and body movement to adjust the dampers in milliseconds, making the M8 competition a nimble car on both the road and track. M shadow line inserts give the adaptive LED headlights a new look, while the brand's iconic kidney grills feature a high-gloss black frame. To celebrate the 50th anniversary of BMW M8 competition models will be available with a unique option. Classic BMW Motorsport logos in the hood, trunk, and wheels replace the regular blue and white roundels. This will be made available from March and continue throughout 2022. New color choices include Skyscraper Grey Metallic, Brooklyn Grey Metallic, and the gorgeous Isle of Man Green first seen on the M3 and M4 models. Exclusively for BMW individual models are the Tanzanite Blue 2 Metallic and Frozen Grey shades. Inside, the already luxurious interior has been made even plusher, with a 12.3-inch instrument panel and head-up display supplemented by the new central infotainment screen, which has increased in size from 10.25 to 12.3 inches. The Munich-based brand says the larger screen allows for improved operation of the 7th-generation iDrive system, which controls the navigation, BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto setups. For the hardcore driver, M8 competition models are now available with the optional M carbon bucket seats. The lightweight pews boast visible carbon fiber reinforced plastic surfaces, with integrated headrests and prominent back, shoulder and thigh bolsters. The racier seating option doesn't skimp on luxury, though. Both the passenger and driver enjoy electric adjustment and heating. Illuminated M8 badges set them off nicely. Upholstery options have also increased. The full merino leather package is now also available in black/Saphir orange. BMW notes that, when these leather options are specified, black Alcantara is applied to the dashboard and upper areas of the door panels. As you can imagine, the M8 competition sports a lengthy list of standard equipment. Among the numerous items are 20-inch M star spoke wheels, M carbon roof, for the coupe and gran coupe only, Harman Kardon surround sound, soft closed doors lane departure warning, and more. Buyers can elect to add a driving assistance package, including blind spot detection, surround view, side collision avoidance, or upgrade to a professional package which brings even more passive safety features. M carbon ceramic brakes, the aforementioned bucket seats, and an M carbon exterior package are also available at extra cost. US production of BMW's Halo car will begin in March 2022. The M8 was already an exciting car, combining the driving dynamics the brand is known for with heightened levels of luxury and refinement. While no mention of pricing has been made, BMW USA lists the My 2022 M8 competition coupe and gran coupe at $130,000, with the convertible commanding a $9,500 premium. While the M8 and 8 Series range have received their updates, BMW remains mum on the rumored BMW M8 CSL we've spied testing.